A very good morning to all of you. Today topic is like l'article indéfini. Okay. So in French, what is the l'article indéfini? Say l'article indéfini. Okay. So in English, it means like a or n. What is this in French and why it is very important? Okay, so look here. L'article indéfini, this is very important for object. If you want to speak any object related French language or in French language, you have to put before any article or any adjective. That's why articles are very important. Okay, so now we are teach you how to use it. Okay, so first of all, look here. Article indéfini, like a English meaning a or n, this is very important because it's a starting articles, and in articles we use like a, yun, they, or this is or, it's like sound or. Okay, it's used for masculine singular, and yun, it is used for feminine singular, and they use for plural. Okay, so first of all I'm talking about like l'article indéfini. Why l'article indéfini is important for French? Because you have to speak or you have to take any object name before you have to put articles or adjective. This is very important for you because you can't speak in French any object like without article or adjective. That's why this article is very important. There are four articles in French. So first article here like l'article indéfini. In l'article indéfini we use a, yun, they. A used for masculine singular, and yun used for feminine singular, and they used for plural. Okay, but the thing is here, why and how we recognize this is feminine or this is masculine or that is plural, because there are so many objects but it's not easy to recognize it. Okay, now we have one option that can I easy to connect and find out whatever this is masculine, feminine or plural. Okay, look here. If any object ending with e, it's mean feminine singular. S, X and Z. If any objects are ending with S, X, Z, it means these are plural, and rest all it's like masculine singular, and this rule only 80% it's going on, and rest of 20% that you have exception. Okay, so it's clear. What is l'article indéfini? Basically l'article indéfini in English like a or n. How can we use a used for masculine singular, yun used for feminine singular, and they used for plural? And how could I recognize that? It's a very easy. If any objects ending with e, it means feminine singular, ending with s, x, z, it means plural, and rest like a masculine singular. Okay, only for 80%, and rest are like you have exception. Like an example, look here. So dash estilo. So now it is ending with o. Look here, it is ending with the no. SXZ, no. And rest, it means masculine singular. This is not exception. That's why we use a estilo. It's like a estilo. Okay, and now look here, like estilo. It's like plural ending with s. So they. Why I'm telling you that? Because in French, only article sound had changed, not like object. Okay, because here o estilo, de estilo. Estilos are same sound, okay, but articles like simple o estilo, de estilo. That's why I'm talking about like object. You have singular, plural, feminine doesn't mean, but articles can justify like what's the gender like of object. Okay, so that's why articles are very important for object, because object can't change the sound, but article can change it. Okay, because o estilo it means masculine singular, de estilo it means plural. Okay, so now dash gom. Okay, it's feminine, so that's why we use yun gom. Gom it means eraser, estilo it means pen, or pen, some pens. Okay, and a eraser, and suppose it has like plural, then gom, like they go. Yungom, they go. Gom sound has not chilled. Okay, only for that articles sound. Be careful. Okay, that's why I'm talking about like a first articles like a lachtikle in indéfini. What is the meaning? A or an in English. Why we use it? Only for that. Or an. How can I recognize? If ending with the feminine singular, SXZ, it's like plural, and rest like masculine singular. But only for 80%, 20% you have exception. Okay. And now these are the example. Okay, I'll give you some example. You can make it. Okay, like simple. Look here. L'article indéfini. In French, like a starting parts like article. Okay, so now dash estilo dash mezzo is feminine singular. Okay, it is exception. 20% you have like exception. Livre is also ending with the, but this is masculine singular. Okay, farm, école, garçon, fee. Okay, so here the shortcut rule like ending with the feminine singular, s x z plural. Okay, and rest masculine singular. Okay, so now like ending with e, no, sxz, no, rest like masculine singular, o estilo. Mezzo is feminine singular, that's why we use yun. Livre is also masculine singular, this is exception, o. Femme ending with e, it's like feminine, yun. École ending with e, it's like feminine. Garçon, it's like masculine because not e, not xz, and rest like ending with s, that's why we use they. Like o estilo, o pen, un mezzo, a house, a livre, a book, un femme, a lady, un école, a school, a garçon, a boy, des filles, some girls. Okay, so now it is clear. Okay, in next class we do like l'article défini. Okay.